Welcome, LEGO fan, to a LEGO creator review on predicting future bricks. And today we got the Rainforest animals. It has 250 pieces, ages 6 to 12, and set number 31031. Now let's get on to the box art. Here is the front of the box. Here is the back of the box with all three versions of the set. This set is a 3-in-1 creator set. And the first build you get in the set is a small fly that the bug is trying to eat. It's a small little build. Next up, we got a frog that has movement in his legs. Here is the bottom of him. And there's a ball joint right there, so he can move his mouth up and down. He can eat one of these food pieces, or you can take out the food piece and make him eat the fly. And last is the bird, and the bird is pretty big. These wings do move. And then there's a ball joint right there for the whole wing to move. It does have movement in its mouth so it can eat. Its legs do move. These move down. And these also move down. To scale for a minifigure size, here is one minifigure compared to the bird, the frog, and the fly. Now this is a very good set for Rainforest Animals fans, but if you're not really into animals, it's still a good set, but it's not minifigure scaled, so I would give it a rating of 7 out of 10 just because it's not minifigure scale, but overall it's a great set. And I'll see you next time on Predicting Future Bricks, and please visit predictingfuturebricks.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time here on Predicting Future Bricks.